Morning, guys. So I know yesterday we talked about the smallest mammal. So let's talk about that again today and let's figure out what it was. So what do we always start with? Good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, and the smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat. They are a red-brown color and they live in colonies of 100 bats. So colony is like their family, and that's who they're going to live with in like their cave, or maybe they live in like a small dugout, maybe in like a tree or something. So they're going to live with families as big as 100 bats. So I marked on here how big they are, and they can get up to 1 to 1.5 inches long. So that's just the very tippy top of my finger is just how big they are. 1.5 inches. That's not very big at all. And that's how big the big bats get. That's it. That's the mommy and daddy bats are an inch to an inch and a half big. So something so small, what do you think they eat? What do you think a bumblebee bat eats? So let's talk about that tomorrow, because I want to know what you're thinking that something so tiny eats when they go out. So let's talk about that. All right, let's look at our number again. We've got the number 18. That's when you put a 1 and an 8 together. And then we also have our letter, which is the X. Okay, so we need 2 long sticks, and they just cross over each other. So when you take your long sticks, just cross them over, and that's your X. That's it. Let's talk about some things that start with X. You should have an X page, and we looked at X-ray is 1, which means like X-ray fish or something like that would be 1. We also talked about xylophone. And we can also talk about things that end with X, like a box ends with X. So there's a couple of different ones. So let me know if you come up with any other ones that start with X, or if you can think with words with X in it. I would love to hear about it. All right, guys, have a great day.